Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Bushra from Pisaya Degree College, ARF Kamra. My subject is English for the class 10th and today's topic is vocabulary words. But before starting, it's 1 minute talk time and today's topic is don't fight with others. Yes, my students, fighting is very bad habit and it got very bad result. It can be hurt you, maybe break your tooth, maybe you got any injury or fracture, or sometimes you can be hospitalized due to severe injuries. So please don't fight. Yes, my students, we all know about the letters and the sounds. Today we are going to study about vocabulary words from letter Q to Z. So let's come. Q for quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Row. R for row. R-O-W-E. You can see the children are playing with row. Snail. S for snail. S-N-A-I-L. Tap. T for tap. T-A-P. Tap. Umbrella. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. The children are holding umbrella. Violin. V for violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Wall. W for wall. W-A-L-L. Wall. You can see the doctor is holding X-ray. X for X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. York. Y for York. Y-A-K. York. Zebra. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Yes, students. We have read words from Q to Z. Now it's activity time. And the activity is write the correct spelling. What is this? It's an umbrella. Yes, umbrella. And the spelling, the spelling are missing. U-M. What is missing? Yes, B. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What is this? It's snail. What are the spelling? N. Yes. S-N-A-I-L. Snail.
Yes, my students. She is playing violin. And the spelling of violin is V. Yes, something is missing. I. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin.
Yes, students. It's another activity time. And the activity is match the word with the pictures. Okay, the words are zebra, crow, snail and violin. And here are the pictures. First picture is, yes, snail. The second picture is, yes, violin. Next is zebra. Yes. And the last is crow.